Now let's start making the front pocket. For the front pocket, which is pretty complicated, you need to pre-cut two pieces 20-inch long and 3 3/4 wide. 20 by 3 3/4, two pieces. We need to stitch them together right here. We need piece of stabilizer, a little shorter than, I cut 3/4 by 2. We need two pieces of stabilizer to stabilize the fabric, and I'm using these little badge holders. You can put your business card or small pieces of paper, patterns, anything you want. And I'm going to put them on the top when I stitch together this. So these are those small side pockets. I also need piece of fabric for the front. It's 7 by 12. You also need to fuse it. I cut pieces 6.5 by 4, and another piece 6.5 by 4. You put them underneath and fuse here and there. I also need piece of mesh fabric. I'm gonna put this double fold elastic. I'm gonna stitch it to the top, and when it's ready, I'm gonna attach this mesh pocket right here, and then stitch. Then I'm gonna cover the bottom with twill tape from here to here, and I'm using wide zigzag to stitch it to the bottom. I will also need this little hook. I'm using 1-inch hook with a piece of tape, ribbon, to keep these vinyl bags. You know, I provide these vinyl bags for my bag. It has a little pocket here, card pocket, and you can keep in these vinyl bags any small items you need for your quilting or sewing. It could be needles, it could be buttons, it could be patterns, it could be pencils, and any other stuff you need. So you will need this hook to keep them together, and you will stitch this little ribbon to the back of the pocket when it's done. So let's stitch it all together, and then I'll show you how to attach a zipper to this pocket.